Hello guys, this is Jay from the Xcode. In today's video I'll show you how to download and install the .NET Core on the Linux machine. Okay, so why I'm doing this, so I've just got a new machine, and I've just recently had to install the .NET Core on my new machine, which is running Linux Ubuntu 16.04, and I was having some trouble downloading it, so I decided to make a video to show you how you guys can download and install the .NET Core and run application with the on your Linux machine. Okay, so let's get into it. So let's close this. Alright. Okay, so first thing first, what you need to do is okay, what you need to do is install an IDE to run your .NET to run your application on. And one good one is this one. It's called MonoDevelop. Okay, you can find it in Ubuntu Center over here, Software Center. So you go to Mono. Alright, let's see. And you can find it over here. This thing over here. And you can download it and install it. Or you can go to, let's open Chrome. Okay. Or you can go to their website, monodevelop.com, and install it. It's fairly easy. It's just a couple commands. And download. Okay, and they got here Ubuntu, and this is all you gotta do. So you have key. So you add a key, and then you update. And okay, this is for the 14. This is, so you basically add their repository to you, and then you download it. Okay, it's fairly easy. Okay, this is all you gotta do. Copy and terminal, open terminal. Okay, so let's see. So what you do is you copy, paste over here, and this will automatically do it for you. Okay, fairly easy. Alright, and if you have any trouble download it, this is how you, so you add the repository and then you do this, sudo apt install MonoDevelop. Okay, if you have any trouble downloading it, just let me know and I'll help you. Okay, this is what you gotta do first. Or there is another option you can do. There's another not an IDE, but it's a code editor. So if you search for VS Code, it's a very lightweight code editor by Microsoft. It's very good. I really like it, and I have both, as you can see, Visual Studio Code and MonoDevelop. Okay, and you go to download for Ubuntu. You can download like, okay, for Linux, and they got over here you can download, unzip, and install. And they also got it in this Ubuntu Software Center. If you search for VS Code, let's see. Okay. Let's see. Down. This one over here, Visual Studio Code. You can download it, install it, and use that one instead of the MonoDev. But I really like the MonoDev, so So I'm going to show you how you. So once you install the MonoDev, you're able to run C# on your machine. You don't need to install anything else. Okay. But if you want to run the .NET, build .NET application, .NET Core applications, you're gonna have to install the .NET Core and the .NET Runtime. Okay. So as you can see over here, you can do. Let's create new project. Okay. This is when you get it. Okay, so when you download it, you first download it, you don't have this option over here, .NET Core, okay? I only got it because I already downloaded the .NET Core on my machine. I already have it on my machine. That's why I have the .NET Core. But when you first install it, you'll have this multi-platform, cloud, and other. You don't have the .NET Core. Okay, so if you go to .NET and you can do let me see, .NET console application, console project. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, console project, and you can do create and then name. Okay, project directory. Okay. And this will make your console application. Okay, so you can run console application on your Ubuntu machine, on your Linux machine. But if you want to run the build .NET Core applications, you've got to download the .NET Runtime and the .NET Core. Okay, so as you can see now, this is like simple Hello World application. And to run this, you go over here and click on this, or you can just simply press F5. Okay, and this will build, and just like Visual Studio, and it'll print Hello World. Okay, as you can see. But now let's go and download the .NET Core and .NET Runtime. So what to do is I'm going to open the terminal and Chrome. Okay, so what you do is you go to .NET Core. Okay, .NET Core, Microsoft, and this is the instruction to install it. Okay, so what you do is go to Ubuntu. My version is 16.04. Okay, and this is the same version that I have over here. So if you say .NET, you can see I got 2.1.104. Okay. And I've tried to download other ones, but it didn't work. I don't know. This is the only one that works for my machine. I tried to install other versions of the .NET Core, but I don't know. It didn't work. Like I said, so let's get into this. So what you do is you run this curl command over here, and so what you do is you copy this, come to your your terminal, and paste it over here. Great. Okay. Alright, so you copy it, you paste it, and then you put your password, because this is a sudo command. Okay. Then you go back over here, and then in here, install the SDK, .NET SDK. So what you do is you grab all this, copy it, okay? You go back over here to the terminal. Before you run this command, run sudo git update, okay? Sudo apt -get update. It's very important to you run this command, because otherwise it's gonna mess up a lot of things. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for it to install. Don't need this over here. Post tab. So I'm just gonna keep this one open. And now it's done. Okay, so now we can paste it. So you say paste. This will download. Sudo apt get update. This is updating. And then we're gonna get into the last one, which is where most of the times it breaks. This one over here, sudo apt install .NET SDK 2 point something. So let's hope this time it works. Okay, let's see. Okay, it did work. Okay, and it went real quick because I already have it, so that's why it went really quick. But for you, it will take a little bit more time. And now you've got it installed on your machine, .NET SDK, and you simply can go to your close your terminal and go over here to your manual developer IDE. And now you will have the option to make SBN.NET Core. Okay, so you will have this option over here, .NET Core, and then you can let's create a simple one over here in VC.NET Core. Okay, next let's give it a name, hello world. Okay, browse. Okay, let's put it in my C# directory, and let's hit create. Okay, it says hello, it already exists. Like I said, I gotta change the name to hello world 1. Okay, that's great, and this will generate all the boilerplate for the .NET Core project, and just wait for it. Okay, and you can see all your projects is over here. Now you can go to your controllers, open controller. Okay, and here you go. This is a simple project. Okay, I don't know why it's showing these quickly lines over here. Type the namespace. Is there something that we found? Are you missing? Huh. That's weird. Okay, now it's gone. Okay. I don't know what happened there, but now it's gone. Okay, so to run the project, you can just run over here, click on this, or you press F5. Okay, let's run it and see. Okay. We can close this. should run. And if you guys have any trouble or problems downloading it, just let me know. I'll try to help you fix it. Alright, let's see why it's taking too much time. Okay, it's building. Let me go to the localhost. It should open on the localhost. I think it was 5,000. Localhost 5,000. Alright, let's stop it and run it again. Machine froze. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna let it run, finish whatever it's doing. While it's building, while it's, I don't know what it's doing. Let's see what we've got in here. Okay, so over here we got all your CSS files, minified CSS images, JavaScript, and in here we got the libraries. We got Bootstrap, jQuery, jQuery validation, and then here we got an icon. Okay. Well, let's see what else we got. We got the views over here. We got home, about, index.html, HTML. Okay. Properties. Okay. Control.css. Dependencies. Okay, we got the Nugget SDK. Okay, this is taking forever. I'm just gonna close the IDE. Let me show you Visual Studio Code. You can also run it in Visual Studio Code. I don't know, I like this better. I don't know why. Just this style, the design, I like it more than Visual Studio. But Visual Studio is a really good one. Okay, so let's see. Is I'm going to close this file, and let's open the project that we just made. It's in my desktop in C#, and it's Hello World 1. Okay, so if you prefer to use Visual Studio, download this extension for the C#. It's a really good one. It's recommended by Microsoft. It'll help you a lot. Okay. Now let's go back to our project. So it's over here. Core asset to build and debuggers. Okay, click yes. Workplace has an extension that can help you. See. No behavior. That's cool. C# snippets. I'm gonna install this extension too. .NET Helper. Yeah, there's a lot of cool extensions over here. Anyhow, let's for now go back to our project. And then let's run it. So to run it, open a terminal, and click F5, and this will run it. Or you can, I think you can do .NET run, and that way it's, you run it. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it. Alright, let's see what we've got. Yes, it's running on localhost 5000. Alright, and we got the .NET Core. We got our application over here. SBN.NET Core, as you can see. And if you are interested in learning more about the SBN.NET Core, you can read this: how to add a controller, manage users, secrets and secret manager, log in, and all that. Okay, so that's a simple way how to download and install .NET Core. Okay, so let's stop it and go over here. We don't need this. We need to go to, let's go to controllers, and I'm gonna go to sorry about the noise in the background, that's my dog. Okay, so you can go over here and change something over here. Alright, anyways, that's all that's all you need to know. Yeah, basically how to download it and install it. I'm gonna install this extension because it looks cool. Maybe it'll help me. Okay, install. Yeah, so basically this is Visual Studio Code. And to run the .NET, I believe you need to install this extension before you can run the .NET in Visual Studio. You need to download this extension before you can. Okay. Reload. Try this one. Yeah, I can't do that. I have to make a view and change the text over here. This is the About page. It's going to say to run it from the command line. I want to show you how you can do .NET.Run. So I think I'm going to stop it and try to run it from the command line. Yes, it's running. So I'm going to stop it. Terminal. Run. Okay, so this is going to find a project. Build. Okay. And that's how you build it. That's how you build it from the command line. Alright, think that's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys.